morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atma Green School, J. Swaminarayan. Today class 9th, book Civics. Start with class 9th, book Civics. Lesson number 6, that is democratic rights. In this lesson, I had already started topics. And today is a continuation of this lesson. Okay, so I had already started with democratic rights are the socially recognized rights which are written into law in a democracy. Then life without rights. सोचो अगर एक country democratic country नहीं है, no fundamental rights, no duties, तो सोचो citizens कैसे enjoy करेंगे अपनी life? Okay. Nothing, no, कोई right नहीं आपको, right to speech, right to freedom, कुछ नहीं आपके पास. Then what life you will survive with? Okay, so life without rights. The importance of rights can be judged by the one whose life has absence of rights. जिनकी life में कोई aim नहीं है, okay, कुछ अपनी मर्जी से वो कुछ कर नहीं सकता है, अपनी मर्जी से वो कहीं जा नहीं सकता है, ना स्कूल की लाइफ, कॉलेज की लाइफ, नौकरी की लाइफ, शादी के बाद वो सेटल होना चाहे नहीं जा सकता. सो व्हाट लाइफ? नथिंग. सो द फॉलोइंग एग्जांपल्स, that is prison in Guantanamo Bay, citizens' rights in Saudi Arabia, and ethnic massacre in Kosovo describe how life without rights. ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स थे जो मैंने आपको डिस्कस किया है. सी ऑन पेज नंबर 97, दैट इज प्रिजन इन ग्वांतानामो बे. ओके, वहां पे क्या हुआ था लोगों के साथ. देन सिटीजन्स राइट्स इन सऊदी अरेबिया, देन एथनिक मैसेकर इन कोसोवो. ओके, ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स है जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था. दिस इज व्हेन देयर इज द सिटीजन्स डजंट एंजॉय एनी राइट्स. तो ये वो पार्ट है. Okay, that is prison in Guantanamo Bay में about 600 people were secretly picked up by the US forces from all over the world and put in a prison in Guantanamo Bay near Cuba. According to the American government, they were enemies of the US and linked to the attack on New York on 11 September 2001. As a result, there was no trial before any magistrate in the US, and these prisoners could not even approach courts in their own country. कोई ट्रायल नहीं थी. ओके, ये अपनी कंट्री में भी अपने हक के लिए लड़ नहीं सकते थे. एज अ रिजल्ट देयर वाज नो ट्रायल बिटवीन एनी मैजिस्ट्रेट इन द यूएस एंड दीज प्रिजनर्स कुड नॉट इवन अप्रोच. एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल, वो क्या है? व्हाट इज एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल? It is an international organization of volunteers who campaign for human rights. The organizations bring out independent reports on the violation of the human rights all over the world. Then Saudi Arabia is ruled over by the hereditary king, and the people have no role in electing or changing their rulers. The king selects the legislature as well as the executive. He appoints the judges and can change any of their decisions. Okay, then citizens cannot form political parties or any political organizations. कोई election नहीं, कोई political party नहीं, कोई candidate नहीं, यानी people can't enjoy anything. Media cannot report anything that the monarch does not like. There is no freedom of religion. Every citizen is required to be Muslim. Non-Muslim residents can follow the religion in private but not in public. Women are subjected to many public restrictions. The testimony of one man is considered equal to that of 2 women. Then this was prison in Guantanamo. Then ethnic massacre in Kosovo में क्या हुआ था? In Yugoslavia, Serbs यानी Serbians. Okay, Serbs were in majority and Albanians were in minority. तो minority की तो वैसे भी कोई क्लास ही नहीं है. चलो डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में फिर भी गवर्नमेंट माइनॉरिटी के लिए कुछ तो उन्होंने परसेंटेज रखा है, कुछ तो कोटा रखा है. बट जो कंट्री ही मोनार्की है वहां पे तो माइनॉरिटी की कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है, जीरो. A democratically elected Serb leader, Slobodan Milosevic, wanted to dominate the country. Serbs thought that the Albanians, the ethnic minority group, should leave the country or accept the dominance of Serbs. As a result, of ethnic clashes, Kosovo with majority population of Albanians declared independence in February 2008. Then rights in a democracy. Everyone wants a system where at least a minimum assurance is guaranteed to all, whether he or she is powerful or weak, rich or poor, majority or minority. No one should be arrested without proper reason and information. If it happens, then he or she should have a fair chance to defend themselves. This assurance should not only be on paper, there should be someone to enforce them and to punish those who violate them. This is a real spirit behind the rights. Then, meaning of rights. Rights are reasonable claims of persons recognized in society and sanctioned by law. A right is possible when a person makes a complaint that is equally possible for others. Rights should be made available to others in an equal measures. Thus, a right comes with an obligation to respect other rights. When fellow citizens or the government do not respect their rights, it is called violation of rights. In such situations, citizens can approach courts to protect their rights. The need of two rights. Rights are necessary for the subsistence of democracy. यानी डेमोक्रेसी को दरवाजा डेमोक्रेसी को बढ़ाने के लिए rights are necessary for the in a democracy every citizen has a right to vote and the right to be elected. That is, rights are necessary for the subsistence of a democracy. In a democracy, every citizen has the right to vote and the right to be elected to government. Rights protect minorities from the oppression of majority. They ensure that majority cannot do whatever wishes to do. Rights are like guarantees which can be used when things go wrong, especially when some citizens may wish to take away the rights of others. Some rights need to be placed higher than the government so that the government cannot violate them. In most democracies, the basic rights of the citizens are written down in the constitution. Okay, कुछ तो आप लोग इसके बारे में familiar है. Okay, हम लोगों को इतनी फंडामेंटल, जब हमारा संविधान बना था, इतनी फंडामेंटल राइट्स हमें मिली है और कई लोग आज उसका नाजायज फायदा उठा रहे हैं. देखो जैसे वो किसान आंदोलन जो ये हुआ था 26 जनवरी को, सो इट वाज रॉन्ग कि आप ये नहीं कि आपको है तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, आप अगेंस्ट द लॉ जा सकते हो. दैट इज नॉट देयर. ये हमारे संविधान में नहीं था. ओके, यस, हमें फ्रीडम है. अब वो रैली पे बैठ रहे हैं, उन्होंने इतने टाइम से इतने टाइम से
नीचे के घर के बाजू में जो घर है ना, उधर हस्की का पॉपी है मम्मी.
इतने तो दैट इज rights are necessary for the subsistence. Okay, then rights in the Indian constitution. सबसे पहला आता है fundamental rights. Some rights which are fundamental to our life are given status in Indian constitution. They are called fundamental rights. These are the basic human rights which are given to every citizen in a democracy for the development of his or her personality. These rights are guaranteed by the constitution. The 6 fundamental rights recognized by the constitution as follows. Right to equality. The constitution says that the government shall not deny the equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws to any person in India. It means that the laws apply in the same manner to all regardless of a person's status. This is called the rule of law. Rule of law is the foundation of any democracy. It means that no person is above the law. The government shall not discriminate against any citizen or grounds. Shall not discriminate any citizens or grounds, only one religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Every citizen shall have access to public places like shops, restaurants, hostels and cinema halls. Then reservation. The government of India has provided reservations for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and OBCs. But these reservations are not against the right to equality. Equality does not mean giving everyone the same treatment, but it means giving everyone an equal opportunity to achieve according to the capability of a particular person. Thus, the reservations of this kind are not a violation of the right to equality. Then untouchability. The constitution directs the government to put an end to the practice of untouchability. It is an extreme form of social discrimination. Untouchability does not mean refusal to touch people belonging to certain caste. Rather, it refers to any belief or social practice which looks down upon people on account of their birth with certain caste labels. Okay, this is right to equality. Then it is right to freedom, freedom of speech and expression, assembly in a peaceful manner. Okay, wait, मैं कहाँ पे थी? Yes, rights in a democracy में थी ना, तो उसके अंदर सबसे पहला है meaning of rights. Okay, right in a democracy, उसमें सबसे पहले है meaning of rights, the need of rights. Okay, that is rights are reasonable claims of persons recognized in society and sanctioned by law. The need of rights, that is rights are necessary for the subsistence, वो मैंने आपको explain किया for democracy. Every citizen has a right to vote and the right to be elected government. Rights protect minorities from the oppressions of majority. They ensure that majority cannot do whatever wishes to do. Rights are like guarantees which can be used when things go wrong, especially when some citizens may wish to take away the rights of others. Some rights need to be placed higher than the government so that the government cannot violate them. In most democracies, the basic rights of the citizens are written down in the constitution. Then rights in the Indian constitution. Some rights which are fundamental to our life are given a special status in Indian constitution. They are called fundamental rights. These are the basic human rights which are given to every citizen in a democracy for the development of his or her personality. These rights are guaranteed by the constitution. Okay, under that, these 6 fundamental rights you can see. Rights in the Indian constitution. There are 6 fundamental rights. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Okay student, now see on page number 99. 99 का question है rights in the democracy, then the meaning of rights and need of rights. Rights in a democracy, meaning of rights and need of rights. Okay, that you have to write. आपको ये लिखना है, you have to write in your SST CW book. Rights in a democracy, meaning of rights and needs of rights, and also 3 examples कि अगर rights नहीं है तो उसको describe किया with giving 3 examples. That is prison in Guantanamo Bay, life without rights. Then citizens' rights in Saudi Arabia, ethnic massacre in Kosovo. Okay, so you also have to write these 3 examples. आप सिर्फ पढ़ो और अपने own का लिखो. No need to write so big answers. इसकी reading करो तो simple है बिल्कुल, and you write of your own. And then also write in a democracy, meaning of rights, need of rights. Okay, fine. So that is, you have to write in your CW what I had told you. That is about the 3 examples, life without right, or that is on page number 97, 98, and then on page number 99 and 100, it is right in democracy, the meaning of rights, and why do we need rights in a democracy. Okay, so that you have to write. Okay, now see the question on अब यहाँ तक के questions हैं जहाँ तक मैंने आपको explain किया ना, up till 100, page number 100. In my next class I will continue from page number 101. So वहाँ के questions है, which international organization reported that the prisoners in Guantanamo Bay were tortured? I repeat, which international organizations reported that the prisoners in the Guantanamo Bay was tortured. Then second, in Saudi Arabia, who appoint the judges and selects the legislature as well as executive. I repeat, in Saudi Arabia, who appoint the judges and selects the legislature as well as executive. Then third, in Yugoslavia, dash were in majority and dash were in minority. Okay, majority वाले कौन थे? Serbs were in majority and Albanians were in minority. When fellow citizens do not respect their rights, then it is called dash. Okay, आप ढूंढना ये 4 questions. That is, which international organizations reported that the prisoners in Guantanamo Bay were tortured? Second, in Saudi Arabia, who appoint the judges and selects the legislature as well as executive? Third, in Yugoslavia, dash were in majority and dash were in minority. And when fellow citizens do not respect their rights, then it is called dash. Okay, so that was a topic, life without rights, right in a democracy, rights in the Indian constitution and expanding the scope of rights. See on page number 98 ka question. If you were a Serb, would you support what Milosevic did in Kosovo? Do you think this project of establishing Serb dominance was good for the Serbs? ये आपको पूछा गया है. So अगर आपने ये पढ़ा है तो आप क्या सोचते हो उसके बारे में? So if I were a Serb, I would not support what Milosevic did in Kosovo because what he did was very unjust and discriminatory towards the Albanians, जो minority थे. This method of establishing Serb dominance was not good for the Serbs because this action of Milosevic led to conflict and hostility between the Serbs and the Albanians. Then again page number 100. Yes, see on the side में जो blue वाले हैं ना लिखा हुआ, that is all questions. What are the examples of elected governments not protecting or even attacking the rights of their own citizens? Examples are examples of elected governments and are ethnic massacre of Albanian in Kosovo, policy of apartheid in South Africa, rule of Augusto Pinochet in Chile, and rule of Robert Mugabe in Zimbabwe. These elected rulers wanted to hold their own power and keep the people under their control so that they would not oppose them and they could rule without problems. Okay, so that was the in-text questions up till page number 100. In my next class, I will continue from page number 101 of your text. Okay, and up till here, please do read the lesson. आप lesson जितना हो सके ना उतना बार-बार पढ़ो because geography chapter 5 I had finished with, economics chapter 3 I had finished, and history जो section 3 है, you just read it because वो सिर्फ एक गेम के बारे में पूरा lesson, उसमें कोई explanation है ही नहीं. There is no explanation of history last section. Okay, you just read it. आप पढ़ो उसे बस. Because MCQs खाली पूछा जाएंगे तो just read that lesson. No need of learning the question answers as only MCQs asked. अगर कुछ change होता है then I will let you know that. Okay, तो MCQs के लिए you have to read the text again and again. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे लग रहा है कि शायद कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझे सी भी सबमिट नहीं किया है, SCAC, सो प्लीज सबमिट दैट. ओके, सी एक्टिविटी भी है पेज नंबर 99 में, येलो बॉक्स में एक्टिविटीज भी है. जस्ट रीड इट. अगर आपको थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट है ये लेसन में, तो अगर पॉलिटिक्स में थोड़ा बहुत या न्यूज़पेपर जो बच्चे पढ़ते हैं, सो यू कैन आंसर दीज एक्टिविटीज. ये एक्टिविटीज आप आंसर कर सकते हो. Newspaper reports on custodial violence, newspaper reports on force feeding of prisoners who go on hunger strike, ethnic massacre in any part of our country, reports regarding unequal treatment of women. Okay, and whatever homework I had given you, please do complete that work. Okay students, so with this I wrap up my class, and I will continue from rights in the Indian Constitution in my next class. Thank you to all.